Adjusting double cup volume. Grab a measuring cup with markings. Attach the coffee machine portafilter. Put down the non-slip mat. Place the measuring cup on it. Adjust the measuring cup to align it with the portafilter spout. Press and hold both the single cup and double cup buttons at the same time, and the machine will enter the setup mode. Tap the double cup button to enter the double cup water flow setting. Stop the setting when the water reaches 45 milliliters. Tap the double cup button to stop the water flow. There's still 15-20 ml of water left in the portafilter, just wait for it to drain out. Press the steam button, and the power button will flash 3 times with 3 beeps before the machine goes into standby mode. Now we've got the double cup water flow set on the coffee machine. If you want the reset double cup volume, press and hold the power button and the double cup button at the same time to reset the double cup water flow.